welcome back to Sam and Monty. We are on day 2 of the van build. We're here at Home Depot. Let's go get some goods. Okay. Everything's loaded up in the back. We're gonna make a quick pit stop at Trader Joe's, get some groceries, and then we're gonna head home and start working.
up the ceiling so when we cut the hole for the Maxx air fan right here, the metal shavings don't fall down everywhere here. They'll fall into the bag and we just take the bag off and throw it away. Day number 2, putting the fan in. Well, yesterday was just like a half day or a quarter of a day, but yeah.
3 hours, right?
3 hours, yeah. So it was like nothing. Today's a 24-hour day. Alright, so we're getting ready to cut the hole. After that's all taped up, I can get up there and then start cutting. After that, we'll paint the edges that we just cut so it won't rust later. And then we'll install the fan. It's exciting news, people! Exciting news! Install standard root 14 by 14. And we're just gonna use this piece of cardboard that was in the box. Time to go on the roof.
Okay, so Monsai's going up. He's gonna wipe down the roof, make sure everything's nice and clean before we cut. And then we have the bag taped up right here, so if any shavings do fall through, the bag will catch them. But we're also gonna be bringing this vacuum up there with us so that we can be vacuuming while we're cutting and catching any shavings too, because that's one thing you don't want on your van is little metal shavings everywhere. They're gonna turn to rust, right? Okay, we have the square drawn out and Monsai's gonna drill the 2 holes to get the, what's it called? Jigsaw blades in. So let's drill the holes. First hole in the van. Finished the hole. Now Monsai's just vacuuming up all those little shavings. Even though, as you can see, this bag that we put caught a lot of the shavings in it. He's just grabbing the ones that are up on top of the roof so we don't have any rust. Once he finishes shaving it, we're gonna take this guy and we're going to kind of sand the edges again with it, just so it's a nice smooth edge all around the cut sides. And then we'll vacuum it again, and then we'll paint it so that it's a little more rust resistant. Even though it'll all be covered, it's just better to be safe than sorry.
It fits.
Nice.
Let me show you guys. Fit perfectly in the hole. So now I'm gonna take it out, file it down, paint it, and then we can install it. So I'm gonna put this down, I'm gonna put the fan in, I'm gonna use this Sikaflex, I'm gonna put it all the way around, and I'm gonna set that on and then put the screws in. Yeah, all right, let's get to it.
Okay, glue is in. Now we're gonna do the framing and screw the fan in. We didn't get everything done that we wanted to get done, but we did get a lot done.
Yeah.
Okay, so look. The floor is done. We did this beautiful brown that I've been wanting to do. And then we did the fan. So fan and floor got done today. Monsai's gonna work on a little bit of wiring. I'm gonna clean up. And then I think we're gonna call it a day. We've been out here, we've been working since we got up at 6 and it's almost 5:30.
Yeah.
So.
And we only had one meal today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys like this video. There will be one. We'll be making one every single day. So hopefully we have time to edit it and get it out every single day as well too.
Hopefully. We'll see about that.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.